ये साफ नहीं है यार।
कैमरा पीछे से पूरा होगा।
आ रहा है। Let us start the next video of the staffing, chapter 6, in which we are discuss about the elements of staffing. Mainly, there are three elements of staffing. The three elements of staffing, in which first is recruitment, second is selection, and the next is training. While recruitment is the first element in which we are in which we are stimulating the people for a vacant job which is in the organization. There are several posts. Recruitment means inducing or attracting more and more candidates to apply for the vacant post or job positions in the organization. In general words, recruitment means search of candidate who can perform the vacant role and inducing them to apply and come forward to fill the vacant roles in the organization. While recruitment is a process in which we are selecting the best and the appropriate candidate, but for this, the candidate who first of all candidate fill the vacant post in the organization. So more and more applications are to be filled. That is the work of the recruitment. With the help of the recruitment process, we are stimulating the outsiders or insider in the organization who want to fill the application and to work inside the organization. For this, we are stimulating the people who fill the vacant job position, that is known as recruitment. After the recruitment, there is a next process that is known as selection. A selection is also known as a negative process. While the number of applications are more and for they all are not be appointed inside the organization, so less applications are sought out for the vacant job position inside the organization. So selection process is a negative process. It is also known as the negative process. Selection can be defined as a discovering most promising and most suitable candidate to fill up the vacant job position inside the organization. Selection process is an ending result of recruitment function, organization receiving large number of application, and selection process begins at the stage by securing the application, screening the application, the selection, the number of rejected application is generally more than the selected candidate. That's why it is known as negative process. So the selection after the recruitment, there we have to be selecting the best and the appropriate candidate for the vacant post inside the organization. So after the selection, the workers are gone through the training according to their job position in which they are appointed. So selection, the meaning of selection is training. After the selection, there is a need of the training to employ it for their vacant job position. Training means equipping the employees with the required skill to perform the job. It means they are in which job position they are to be appointed. According to their job position, they are to be trained what and where and how they are work in their vacant job position they are work. So they need for training for the good and develop their working skill. So perform the job, the candidate are sent for training so that they can perform the job in the expected manner in which they are to be appointed. So these are the three main elements in the staffing process, so the people can perform their best and the efficient way inside the organization to develop the organization. So these are the three main elements. After that, we are discussing the recruitment, types of recruitment, ways inside, outside, in the selection process, different types of ways in which we are selecting the best and the appropriate candidate for the vacant post, and ways of training. So after this video, we are discussing about in these three elements in a different manner. Okay, and thank you. Have a nice day.